Ever wondered what would happen if our planet suddenly stopped spinning? Welcome to a hypothetical scenario where Earth's constant rotation, which we often take for granted, grinds to an abrupt halt. The consequences would be catastrophic and reshape our world as we know it. Earth constantly rotates at approximately 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. This rotation gives us day and night, influences our weather patterns, and keeps everything on the surface stable. Now imagine that motion ceases instantly. What would be the immediate effects of such an event? The immediate aftermath would be nothing short of chaotic, unleashing forces beyond our comprehension. Everything not anchored to the bedrock would be flung eastward at incredible speeds due to inertia. Buildings, vehicles, people, all launched into the atmosphere. The oceans, no longer held in place by rotational forces, would slosh violently, creating massive tsunamis that would engulf continents. The atmosphere, still retaining its momentum, would continue to move, generating hurricane-force winds that would ignite widespread fires from friction. Beyond the immediate destruction, the long-term environmental devastation would be profound, fundamentally altering Earth's climate and geography. The persistent movement of the atmosphere would create perpetual superstorms, making the surface uninhabitable for most life forms. Without the centrifugal force of rotation, the Earth would bulge at the equator. The planet would slowly reshape itself into a perfect sphere, causing significant changes in land masses and sea levels. The oceans would migrate towards the poles, creating two vast superoceans and leaving a massive, dry landmass around the equator. The long-term effects would lead to an unrecognizable planet, with extreme conditions unlike anything we know. One side of Earth would face the sun in perpetual daylight, baking under relentless heat, while the other would be plunged into eternal darkness and extreme cold. This would create extreme temperature differences, with scorching hot deserts on the day side and frozen wastelands on the night side. The sudden stop could also destabilize Earth's molten core, potentially leading to a loss of its magnetic field, exposing the surface to harmful solar radiation. In conclusion, Earth's rotation is not just a scientific curiosity, it's a fundamental aspect of our planet that makes life possible. Without it, the delicate balance of our ecosystem would collapse, and life as we know it would cease to exist. It's a powerful reminder of how interconnected and fragile our planet truly is.